Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Warda here with another letter and another activities as well. So let's start the lesson with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to, first of all, we are going to sing a poem together. So let's sing. It's K is for cats, crayons and cakes. K is for candy and cookies that are baked. Let's sing it one more time. K is for cats, crayons and cakes. K is for candy and cookies that are baked. So here we have focused on the word and sound K in this poem. Moving on, we have a few objects on the screen. You need to tell me the name of these objects. First of all, can you tell me the name of this one? Yes, a can. And cloud and crown. Yes, let's do it one more time with the spellings and the sound. K and can, cloud, crown. Okay, now moving on, we have a poem that I'm going to read in front of you. So it's Sana was sitting in his backyard. Her father likes to grow different food in the backyard. He was working with plants of corns and carrots. It was a cold day and Sana was wearing a coat and a cap. Her mother gave her a cup of hot milk to drink. Sana saw a canary bird on the fence trying to eat a caterpillar. When Sana finished her milk, he asked her father to help pull out carrots from the ground. Both of them worked all the day to collect cones and carrots to sell in the market. They stopped when the clocks struck 4 times. They were very tired but happy to fill so many baskets of cones and carrots today. So here in this poem we have focused on the sound of K, like she grew the fields of carrots and the corn. So these two vegetables, the Sana helped her father to pluck out from the ground. Okay, now we have learned the letter K, the sound of K, then the letter is C. So C is basically this letter that contains the sound of K. Now we have, moving on, we have another object. It's a cap. He is cuffing, cuff. And this animal is a cat. So cap, cuff, cat. Okay, so we are also done with these objects. These are so many easier objects, आप लोगों को already पता था. Now moving on, I'm going to tell you how to trace or write the letter C. So first of all, you need to use this index finger and I'm going to trace it like this. It's a curve. K. K. Now you need to practice the sound and the letter C at home. So it is K. K. Now you need to fill this letter with the favorite color. I have the red color crayon and आप लोगों ने अपनी मर्जी का और अपना favorite crayon color लेना है और इसको fill करना है. Now we have an activity as well. So I have made this letter C, cat. You people can make it at home as well. I have traced out this letter C and make the mustaches of cat as well with the ears. So just trace it over the paper of your favorite color, चाहे वो light color हो या dark भी हो सकता है. और उसके बाद you need to draw the eyes and the ears and the mustaches on this. You can also paste these mustaches of different colors. It's up to you and up to your ears. So this is the activity of letter C that you can do at home as well. And thank you so much. Today we have did the sound of K, letter C with the activity of C, cat. Thank you so much for today. We will meet another time with another letter. Allah Hafiz.